Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can invite new members to invite to your projects and teams on Figma to work with you on your design projects. So let us get started. So for this method, guys, you will need to head over to the home section of Figma, log into your account, of course. And here on the left panel, you will see a list of all of your accounts teams that are currently listed in your account. So let me go with that team here. Make sure that it is selected below. If you like, you can create also a new one. So let me head over to that team here. And after that, guys, you will be redirected to the projects list of that team. So here in that overview, guys, simply click in the top right corner here on share. And that is going to open up that small window here where you will be given the opportunity to invite new members to join the selected team, either through an invitation link or through an email invitation. So these are the two options, guys. If you'd like to invite someone via the invitation link, simply click on copy link here to copy the link to your clipboard. And after that, you may share that invitation link via direct messaging services, emails, social media posts, and so on and so forth. You may also set the accessibility for the new members here, like, for example, give them permission to edit your projects or only to view them. And the second option, guys, would be to simply enter the given recipient's email address here of the new member. Click on invite here and wait for the given member to either accept or decline your invitation to join your team here on Figma to work with you on your project. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.